Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT. The network connection was lost problem in ChatGPT application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Turn on airplane mode in 30 seconds, then turn off airplane mode. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Search or click on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth device. Click on it. Reset your Wi-Fi or mobile networks. Step 3. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 4. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 5. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT. The network connection was lost problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.